Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in Ohio the easy way. Whether it's your first venture into the entrepreneurial world or you're just seeking a more straightforward path through the legal maze, I've got you covered. I'll show you both the easiest and most straightforward way to get your Ohio LLC up and running. And I'll also explain how you can do it by yourself if you prefer the hands-on approach. First off, why should you consider forming an LLC in Ohio? Well, Ohio is a fantastic choice for startups for a number of reasons. Firstly, the state offers lower filing fees, flexible business laws, and a robust, diverse economy that presents opportunities in virtually every industry. If you're planning to operate in Ohio or already reside there, it just makes sense to form your LLC in the same state. The process is quite manageable, especially if you follow the straightforward method I'm about to share with you. Okay, so let's dive into how to start an LLC in Ohio the easy way. The quickest and most hassle-free option is to use a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent to just do everything for you. Here's how it works. You visit their site I've linked below for you, then you'll provide a few basic details about your business, such as your business name, your business address, and the industry you're in, and they'll manage the rest. Yes, it's really that simple. They'll prepare and file your articles of organization, they'll assign you a registered agent, which is a requirement by Ohio law, and they'll even assist you with optional tasks like your operating agreement, EIN, and compliance reminders for your annual report. Now, what sets Northwest apart is their commitment to customer support. You get access to real human assistance if you need it, and their privacy-focused approach ensures that they won't sell your data or upsell you on unnecessary services. Everything's transparent, straightforward, and handled correctly from the first time around. If you want to use them to set up your LLC, I've included a discount link in the description and pinned comment below, so you can get started swiftly and save some money in the process. Now, if you're more of a DIY person or you simply want to do everything yourself, here's how to start an LLC in Ohio step by step. First, choose a unique name for your business. It must include LLC or limited liability company at the end. And you can check availability of your name on the Ohio Secretary of State website. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. This can be you, another individual, or a business, but they must have a physical Ohio address and be available during regular business hours to receive legal documents. Then you'll file your articles of organization with the Ohio Secretary of State. You can do this online or by mail, and the filing fee is typically $99. This form includes your LLC's name, principal office address, your registered agent's information, and who's managing the LLC. Next, it's recommended that you create an operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be run. It's useful for multi-member LLCs, but even for single-member LLCs, it helps maintain order. Once that's done, you'll apply for an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. It's free and can be done online in minutes. This is necessary if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. Lastly, depending on your business type and location, you might need additional licenses or permits, so it's wise to check with your local city or county office. And that's it. Again, if you value your time and want to avoid dealing with paperwork or state websites, using Northwest Registered Agent is probably your best option. They'll handle all the official documents, keep you compliant, and make the process feel seamless. On the flip side, if you're comfortable navigating government forms and don't mind doing a bit of extra research, the DIY route can be a viable option for you. It'll save you some money initially, but it may take longer and involves more steps. Regardless of the route you choose, it's crucial to ensure everything is done correctly so your business starts out on the right foot. If you're ready to start your LLC in Ohio the easy way, click the link in the description or pinned comment to get started with Northwest Registered Agent. It only takes a few minutes to set everything up, and you'll have peace of mind knowing it's all being done correctly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more LLC guides and small business tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about forming an LLC in Ohio or anywhere else. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck on your business journey.